back to the new video. So happy to have you here. So we we have entered into a new module which is authentication and security, handling credentials and designing a secure login. And we're gonna in this module we're gonna be talking about registering using user with password and username, and we're also gonna talk about encryption and hashing, and we're gonna learn about a little bit about or know about how to hack passwords, and how to salting, and how to managing cookies and sessions, and how to hide our secrets by using environmental variables, and we're gonna learn about Google Oath credentials, and we're gonna be building a secured login web page by the end of this module. So this is the introduction to the authentication. I hope you guys are familiar with authentication. So let's get started. And now we're gonna be building an authentication web page, that is authentication level 1. There are total 6 levels we're going to be discussing in this module. So first thing first, I'm going to open the new terminal and cd over this location and check out the output we are aiming in this video. Solution.js. Oh my, I can simply run this index.js. I should be prepared. So this is what we are aiming for. Whenever we enter, we're gonna be entering into the local homepage, and here we can log in and register. First thing first, we if we have an account in this, I mean in this website, to this website, we can log in. Otherwise, first thing we got to register. So I'm gonna register as a new name of um Johnny. Johnny at the rate of gmail.com, and I'm gonna give password as Johnny. Johnny. Okay. So I have successfully registered to this web page. So I've entered into the secret web page. So we got an access when we are register and also log in to the secret page. So now that I have registered, so that I can log in, right? If I create the Johnny here, Johnny. Okay, when I try to log in, so I successfully log in. This is the output we are aiming for. So what we need is we're gonna discuss in by looking at the answer. I have no intention to make this video lengthy one, so I'll discuss what necessary. I'll make this short as short as it can. So first thing first, I've imported the module that are necessary. So first is Express and body parser and PG. So I've created an app, and this is the port location, and I've created the database. So and connected to that database, and after that, and I mean I've enabled the body parser, and also I accessed the pages of CSS. So those were in the public folder. Here you can see. and after that I gave the location or the routes to the home ejs and login ejs and register ejs, and I've also created the actions of registration. So first it will ask the user email and password. You can check out to go to the views, and you can see the registration here. Here's the form, a simple form. Here's the name, username, and password. We're going to access this by using the body parser, and whenever we submit, and you'll see the action here. So we accessed, and we're going to use try and catch block. First we're going to check results in the registration, right? We're going to check whether the user is existed in the, I mean, already registered or not, by checking the users table. I haven't told you about this, right? So this is a query to create the user table. So please create it in your Postgres. I've already created it, and that one right now is advanced, so that I have no intention to show it, show that to you. And let's go to the index.js. And if that user existed, so if that existed, length will be increased, right? Zero, above zero. So if it isn't existed, user that doesn't exist, then we can insert the user details in that table. Otherwise we're going to tell the user your user is already existed, and the page will be redirected to the home page, and otherwise it will insert the details into the user table and print out the email and password like this. Here you can see this is a registration, and redirect or render the web page of secrets.ejs. So this is what will happen. Otherwise here you can see, first try block is wrong, then we're gonna directly enter into the catch block and show the error. I mean, shows the error. It will show the error. I mean, man, sorry, here it will show the error. What's the try block? Yeah, if there isn't any error, then we're gonna directly go to the catch block. So that's it for the register. And here login, we're gonna access the username and password by body parsing technique, and after that we're going to use try and catch block and check out. If that user exists, then it will allow, and check the password that's been entered by the user is matches to the password that's been stored inside the database. If that's matched, then it will print out the email and password that's been entered by the user, and render the secret home page, I mean secret page. Otherwise it's gonna say that wrong password. Or if there's any error in the try block and it's not existed, my bad, not existed. If there's any error, we're gonna directly go to the else, and we're gonna say email is not registered and redirect to the home page. I mean, my bad. So here this is for this if, okay, and this is else. If the user is not existed, then it will say email not registered. Okay, if there's any error in the try block, it will directly go to the catch block and it will say that there's an error. Okay, and finally app.listen shows the location, and we can directly go to that page. First home page, and after that, you know what, let's go. This is a home page. Routes of what, login. This is the login route. Next is what's the next route is what's the next route? Register. Okay, these are the routes that I have created, and check home, login, and register. I can also give app dot get secrets. Okay, where's the page? Here's the secrets. Okay, can also create a secrets page and request. Don't make any typos. If you do, you'll get errors just like I'm getting. Result or render secrets.ejs. Make sure no errors. Okay, if I did it now, so there aren't any errors. So so we directly go to the secret page. So this is it. So we done our level 1 authentication. Actually this is less secured. Any beginner or amateur programmer can hack your passwords if you just store your passwords like this that I have done over here in the database. Let me show you the database. Oh, looks like I've got no time to show you. I'll show you in the next video though. So I hope you understand. This is just checking the password with the password that's been stored in the what's called in the database. So that's it for today. I hope you guys like this video, and if you think this video is worth your time, make sure you subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you all in the next video with level 2 of encryption and hashing. We're going to learn about both of them, and they will provide some security to our passwords. It will take uh, time to crack our passwords, but in the end of this module we're going to create a secure login page. It will took years to encode our passwords to the hackers, or it will be almost impossible for them to do so. So that's it. Bye then.